Good morning, YouTubers. Hi, puppy dogs. Got some work cut out for us today. We are going to start making our mulch. Okay, so I got a big pile over here. See, I'm going to move it all up there. I was just looking over the top of my car here. I noticed how beautiful it is up there with the blue sky reflecting off of the solar panel. So pretty. Hi, Kiki. You're being such a good girl. Come here. Come here. Come here. What a good girl. I know you'd so much rather be looking over there in the bushes, huh? Where there's a bunch of feathers. You'd rather look at that. Hi. So coming right up here? Good girl. Good girl. Josh, a baby. So I put a half a chicken into the Instapot. Put it for 20 minutes. Then I'm going to release it after 15 when it's all done. I put rosemary, thyme. I put seasoned salt, and butter. It's going to be good. So I planted a lot of seeds around here. I've been pulling out the weeds. A lot of weeds. I know they're weeds, like these little ones with purple flowers. Those are the storkbill. I like to pull those out before they go to seed because those little spiral seeds get in the dog's feet. But there's one here. See this little plant between the rocks? This may be something that I planted because it looks different and there aren't any other ones around here. So that's how I'm going to know when I have my food forest coming up, because it's going to look like none of these little weeds around here. So solar panel is working well. I have it hooked up right now to the Jackery. Let's see where it's at. 94, I think. Can you see that? 94. Yep. Buddy always loves to get in the car whenever I open the door because he wants to make sure if we're going somewhere that he gets to go. Right, buddy? Is that right, bud? Hi, honey. Baby Snow, baby Kiki. Hi, honey. You get in the car? Okay, jump in. Oh, look at her little feet. I put baking soda on her feet today. Come on, up here. Good girl. Because she gets that little orange stuff around her feet, around her face, right here on her cheeks. She likes to lick her feet. Now, the other dog, Precious, I can pretty much keep that stuff under control by feeding her bottled water. But baby Kiki, even though I feed her bottled water, she still gets that red stuff around her. Kind of pink, you know, just kind of pink there. And it seems to be itchy. So we'll see if baking soda works. I've tried vinegar, and I tried a little bit of hydrogen peroxide, which I know I read is not very good for them. Just one time. So we'll see. Do you think baking soda will work? Huh? Think so? I hope so. Because you got cute little feet. Cute little feet. Precious is the great lizard hunter. Even though she's blind, she can hear them and she can smell them. And she knows they hang out right here in this big, giant agave plant. So she's hunting. You hunting, Precious? Huh? You hunting lizards? Where are the lizards? Huh? Where'd they go? I have this little cutting here called a fire stick, planted right by my grow Oya. And I'm hoping that it is rooting. So I'm pulling a lot of weeds out of the ground, and I'm going to make mulch out of them. I think this is so cute. See how this plant has been munched by little insects? I think that's so cute. Now there's food even for the little bugs. And for the first time, that I can remember, I've seen a mushroom growing here on the property. Looks like some little animal took a couple bites out of it. That should make some good mulch, huh? Yes, I'm going to wash my hands because I know some mushrooms are not very good to touch. I'm going to pull these weeds all from around this oleander bush because the oleander bush is doing well. So let's see how this looks. Smells wonderful. All those spices. Now I'm going to cut up the chicken and add some vegetables and cook it some more. This is just a little side note, but this is a card that my sister sent to me for St. Patrick's Day. She knows I love hamsters. Isn't that adorable? Thank you, sister. Appreciate it. I just found the most beautiful leaf. I don't know if the colors will show up here or not, but it is so pretty. To me, it's green and pink and gray. Look at that. Let's see if I can get closer. Get my shadow out of the way. What do you think? That I believe is a eucalyptus leaf. Very pretty. Well, that's it for today, guys. Remember, this is the year of victory. And this is the victory that overcomes the world, our faith. Our faith in Jesus. It's a gift. We're saved by grace. It's the gift of God. It's by faith. So we'll see you next time. Keep having faith in Jesus. He'll show you the way. He is the way. Adios. Mwah. Be sure and like, subscribe, ring the bell, leave a comment. Talk to you soon. Bye.